Hi, hola, bonjour, wagwan. Welcome to a day in my life. If you're back, it means we're doing something right. There's a few things you can do while you're watching, so if you haven't subscribed, you can hit the button while the video's still playing. You can like, share, and even comment. So if you haven't done already, please, would appreciate if you did. Thank you. So I asked if I could get some soil so I could plant some more flowers, and here it is in action, and here it arrives. So as you can see, it's all systems go. Busy Sunday as usual. Off to the supermarket we go to get some bits for dinner. Because I have subscribers. I'm showing them I'm going to get some bola and make something for dinner today. Although it's a Sunday, we should be having chicken and rice, isn't it?
Some nice wellies here.
Oh no, I'm waiting for my hunters. I already got a pair of nice wellies out to ship. No? Get a bag of bag juice. I don't know, I don't know, I fancied soup, but chicken instead.
You not put no meat tonight.
Oh yeah.
Chicken like this, you know, you have put night chicken.
Anything, just small sort of.
So this is one breast good, one breast good.
Yeah.
One breast and wing.
You prefer that than the neck?
You have to only,
No, I'm just asking because I don't eat the chicken in it anyway.
You don't eat chicken in
So it's whatever you prefer. But the neck.
Who's this again? This is clean and everything already.
Oh, I wanted a drink as well. I wanted a drink as well. Which one, bag juice for?
No, bag juice.
To have with the bull on?
Yeah,
get a bag juice though. Oh, yeah, right.
Yeah, of course.
No, what's there? You can't get it from somewhere else. It's not going to pass somewhere else on the way to getting the soup stuff. Let's buy it one now. Just buy it 1-1 and done.
You know what, if you don't want something thirsty, I drink something.
Oh, I want a drink as well.
Yo, we don't want to see how much, you know.
Let's find a drink. Really thirsty. Can't take me anywhere. In this shop, and then we'll go on to the next. Hi. Yeah, giving me a break. Yep. Just these, and I forgot my bag. Oh.
You want to get it up?
I forgot them. I picked them up as well, you know. Oh my gosh, look what I'm doing. Taking the toilet roll out of the wrapper. What have I done? Did you say that you needed soap? You got soap?
Yeah, man, I want something.
Oh.
That's all. What's up, that? Mm-hmm. No, no, that was it.
I don't know what you need. I don't know, that's all you mentioned to me. So that came to just under $2,000, which is on average about 10 sterling pounds. I still don't feel like I got a lot for the price I paid. Forgot my shopping bags, so we got a box to put it in. Pardon? Buy what? Flour? No.
I'll get some clothes.
Got to get some flour for the soup.
No, you just take out the pot.
Forgot flour. Forgot something. Flour. I'm gonna buy a smallish one because I want to go shopping in the town next week. This will do.
You see, so when you got every look youth on their phone, like I say, every day they on YouTube, they don't know what going on, they don't watch news, they don't know what going on in the country. You see what I say? Come. So through that now, my youth, they don't know, so they must vote with Labour, you see what I say? But they don't know what going on, they just vote. And I can't want to tell everybody know what going on. So nothing they know what going on. I just think you're